Steve Steele, and I am co-owner of Five Psalms Company. My wife Kelly and I own this establishment. Opened a storefront in 2020. Yeah, that's right, during COVID. The Lord has blessed us with this venture. Let me tell you a little bit about what all we do. I build a lot of the furniture. I focus on hardwoods. I build a lot of dining tables with hardwood tops, oak tops, walnut tops. Lean a little bit toward the rustic farmhouse or more modern farmhouse look. And I pour candles. We're going to have some later videos about that and how to do that. We do decorating services, vision boards, and we have all kinds of decor. A lot of it we handcraft, and a lot of it we go to market and pick out. We look for unique things that are different, and we get that comment a lot from customers coming through our store about how beautiful everything is and that it is different. And that's been the look that we are looking for. Today, I want to talk about our floating shelves. The ones that are dark or stained. I build all of these. We also have some, and I'll show you a little more about those in a minute, that are painted. Normally make those out of pine. They're not really a rustic look. They are a smooth look, so more modern. We sell a lot of these. I'm just going to show you a little bit more about them. I have standard lengths that I make these in, and this one is 12 inches long. We do have one shorter. It's got a little different mounting system than this one does. But in this particular style, they range from 12 inches long to 48 inches long. 48 inches is about as long as I'll get, because the way these are designed, the way they're built, when you get any longer than that, it's just hard to keep it true. I don't get the product that I want for my customers. I want something you'll be happy with. These are, let me get another one. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you a longer one. This one is 24 inches long, and I want to show you about what the look is that we've got. We've got saw marks left in these. Gives it that rustic look, and everybody just loves these. You can see the saw marks right in there. These are stained and then polyurethane put on top of them. But what I wanted to show you is the unique construction, how I build these. You can see right in the middle, there's a crack right there. This comes out. Sometimes they're built to fit, so a little tight. But you've got two pieces here. Got the dowel rods here. This is what supports the main shelf part when you get this installed. So what you would want to do as far as mounting these, you find where you want your shelf on your wall. You take this short part, and then you would locate a stud, is the ideal way to do it. Drill a hole through here wherever that stud is, and it could be over here on the side. It doesn't have to be in the middle, because when you get that screwed good tied against the wall, it's not going to go anywhere on you. The long ones have more than one screws, but obviously if you're trying to hit studs with a 1 foot long shelf, you're only going to hit one stud. With a 2 foot long one, you can usually hit 2 studs, and if you can just hit one, that's okay. So you get this mounted on your wall where you want it. It's got 2 little screws right here that has to come out at some point. And then you get those out, and you've got this on your wall, you're ready to mount it. So you simply take your screws out, slide these back on the dowel rods, and I've still got the screws in it, so I can't push it up good and flush to show you this, but it'll go all the way up good and flush. And then on the bottom, there's some countersunk holes. It's where these screws that come out of here and will go in here. And the finished product I'll show you. Will be like this. There's no seam there that you can really see. Fits up good and flush against the wall. People really like these. These are available. You can see them on our website, fivepsalmscompany.com, and take a look at them. And if you like this video, be sure and subscribe and like it. And thank you for watching today.